my name's Rachel. Thank you for coming back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a Trading 212 7-month update, and it is a good one. So I've added 2 new stocks this week, and then I have also sold off a little bit of a few of my other stocks. And there is one share that I'm going to share with you today that has really flown up in the last week and is basically holding up a lot of my portfolio because there has been some drops in the last week or so. So yeah, it is overall very much in the green, and I am really pleased. So in January, I started recording these updates and I had £1,009 in my account in January. So I'd started a few months before, so I built up a bit of money from then, and I am now sitting at £1,206.99 7 months later. So that is a gain in 7 months of £197.99, which is a 19.62% return in 7 months, which I'm really pleased about, particularly considering we've seen a kind of dip in the market in the last couple of weeks. So this week I decided to try and rebalance my portfolio a little bit, and I've done a video that should be up already on this channel about the 4 stocks that I'm buying this week. So I sold a couple of stocks on Trading 212 and added 2 more in. So the stocks that I have sold were basically some of the stocks that were taking up the largest part of my portfolio. And the first one I'm going to talk to you about, I haven't sold all of it because it has done so well and I'm going to hold on to it, but I sold a small amount of Moderna. Now Moderna for me has been ridiculous. I'm just going to have a look at how it's currently doing in my portfolio. So it's currently sitting at 371.63% up since I bought it, which is crazy. So I've sold a little bit of it, literally I've sold £12 of it, so not an awful lot. In the last week, as I said, Moderna has really pulled up my portfolio as a whole because everything has kind of been dropping in the last week. And in the last week, Moderna went up 42.51%. So I sold around about £12 of the following shares in this portfolio. So each, I sold £12.19 of Moderna, Trade Desk I sold £12.38, Mercado Libre £11.99, Natera £11.83, and then I decided to put 2 new stocks in instead, because if you've been following me on this journey, I literally deposited or had £1,009 in this account, and I've decided not to put any more into it and then just track how it does over the year. So that's why I've sold a few of the different shares to just rebalance it out a little bit, because I wanted to buy around about £25 of 2 new ones. And those 2 new ones are Upwork, which I bought £25.22 worth of, because in Trading 212 you can obviously buy fractional shares, so I didn't have to buy a whole share of Upwork. So Upwork, a lot of people consider it similar to Fiverr. So it is a website where it connects businesses with freelancers. So there might be people on there who can do bookkeeping or copywriting or video editing or that kind of thing. So very similar to Fiverr, and they have had a phenomenal year in the last year, and they've also had 11 years of revenue growth. So consecutively for 11 years they've increased their revenue, which is awesome. Star Surgical was the other one I bought, which I bought £23.33 worth of that in this Trading 212 account. I think that'll be interesting to see how that goes. So that's obviously a healthcare company, and they produce lenses for your eyes to go into your eyes, actually into your eyes, to help with things like astigmatism and nearsightedness and things like that. So really interesting, innovative company, and I'm excited to be invested in them. Again, they've had a really good year, so it'll be interesting to see how they do. So I'm just looking at my portfolio now. Upwork, I literally bought it about half an hour ago, maybe not even that, and it's up 2.34%. And the other one that I bought was Star Surgical, so that's showing up in my account as up 0.34%. So really pleased with that. So let me just give you a total rundown of everything I'm holding in my Trading 212 account. I will also list this down in the description box down below, just in case you want to check them out, and I will give you percentage returns for each one so you can see exactly how it's doing. So this is actually in alphabetical order because this is how it's presented. So the first one is Advanced Micro Devices, which is up 3.67%. Then Adyen, which is up 11.05%. Then Amazon, which is up 10.35%. Apple, a nice strong base, is up 27.44%. ASML Holding is up 36.13%. CrowdStrike, love this one, is up 66.05%. Facebook is up 27.45%. Then Fate Therapeutics is down 17.02%. Lam Research is down 4.53%. Mercado Libre is up 28.06%, and as I said, that was one of the ones I sold. Then Microsoft is up 27.7%. Moderna is up 370.27%. Just absolute madness. Then Natera is up 24.86%. Nvidia, which I think I'm saying right now, is up 35.74%. OKTA or Okta, I think you probably say it, is 13.54% up. PayPal, it's just my daughter. PayPal is up 49.09%, Coup is up 24.57%, Royal Mail is another strong one, which is up 119%, Scottish Mortgage Trust, which I've got in my ISAs as well, 2 of my ISAs, is up 48.85%, Sea Limited 4.85%, Seagate is one that's down, Seagate Technology is 8.41%, Shopify, which is awesome, is up 56.55%, then Star Surgical, which I've just bought, is now showing at 0.39%. Taiwan Semiconductor, 18.50%. Tesla is up 39.54%. Trade Desk is up 13.87%. Trustpilot is up 12.26%. Upwork, one I just bought, up 2.46%. Zillow Group up 4%. Zoom is down 9.57%. So yeah, overall I am so pleased with the performance of this Trading 212 account. I think 19.62% in 7 months. I'm really pleased with that. I will carry on doing these updates monthly probably, so if you'd like to see next month, then please do subscribe to this channel. That would mean the world to me. My next milestone is hopefully 600 subscribers. I'll see how long that takes. But thank you so very much for taking the time to watch. I will probably be adding different stocks and shares to this Trading 212 portfolio as I go along, and selling and buying different shares. Only small amounts of them in this portfolio. My bigger investment portfolio is in an investment ISA with Barclays, and then another one with Fidelity as well. So this is more my kind of fun account as well. I also do free trade updates if you fancy seeing that. There's a link down below as well if you want to open a free trade account for a free share. If you want to check that out as well, please do. And thank you so very much for all your support and following along with my kind of beginner investment journey. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.